guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hit that like, share, subscribe button for me. Join the VSOP club. Hit that notification bell by turning on, hit that notification bell so you can turn on all post notifications for me. So you're until when I drop a video. I hope everybody's doing good today. I hope everybody's feeling good today. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today is about the update for the wheels for the R129. I'm still not going to tell you guys what kind of wheels they actually are yet. You're gonna have to watch. Stay in tune with the video so you guys can find out. But I do have an update for the wheels, and here it is. So here is the update for the wheels. It is a new step lip for the front wheels. One of the front wheels I actually to buy two, so we will have a set going on there. I'm not gonna tell you guys the wheels yet. It's an old school wheel, old school Mercedes tuner wheel. If you're in the Benzes and you're in the old school Mercedes, you guys have definitely seen this wheel before. So, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys that, yeah, there is motion, there is progress on this build here. This is a inch and a half step lip for the front wheel in chrome. The actually came from the Ukraine, actually. I forgot the name of the town, but it was a town that the nuclear power plant was actually in. I think they did blow up. So I really appreciate the guy getting this to me, because I know that country is, you know, upside down and going crazy right about now, so I appreciate that. So yeah, you know, this didn't come from one of those accounts on Instagram or Facebook, those Russian scammer accounts. If you guys are familiar with those, this did not come from them. This came off eBay. Okay, so I don't want you to get it, you know, I don't want you guys to get confused when I say that it came from the Ukraine and Eastern Europe, that it didn't come from those Instagram accounts. You know, I almost, fast story, I almost did buy another set of the wheels that are going on this car. I almost bought another set, a second set, off of one of those accounts on Instagram, okay, that turned out to be a scammer account, I guess. Yeah, it turned out to be a scammer account. So I did almost get beat, guys, for, I think the wheels, they wanted 1,200, 1,500, something like that. Something like that. A little bit too good to be true, but you know, sometimes you never know. But you know, it paid to ask. I asked the Facebook forums. If you're not in the Facebook forums for any kind of car that you own, you're kind of doing yourself a disservice, because there's a lot of knowledgeable people in those groups. Even people that are knowledgeable about places where to order parts, scammers, and all of that. So definitely, if you're in the Benzes, I would definitely suggest becoming part of the Facebook groups, because they definitely can help you out a lot, save you some money. Definitely saved me some money. We also got another lip in the box. I just wanted to show you guys one of them, so you guys can know what's going on. So these two, the one that's in the box and this one, will be replacing the front lips on the car, because one is split, and I'll do a video on that, because any rim experts or anybody that's a metal expert can tell me how the damage to this rim happened, because it's kind of crazy. When I show you guys, you know, I've never seen damage to a lip like this. So I'm gonna make maybe the next video. I don't know if it's gonna be the next video, but you guys will see. I'll put that on camera, you know, what happened and all of that. I'll tell you guys the story, everything. But yeah, guys, this came from the Ukraine off of eBay. It did take about a month to come, because you know the Ukraine is in turmoil right now, but it did take about a month to come. But it came. These are original lips that were on I give you guys a hint, okay? They were OZ wheels. So these were original lips that were on OZ wheels. These are not repos. These are not, these are originals. So, give me some credit there because I did keep it original. Okay, here's the rear of it so you guys can see. But yeah. So it's an 1.5 inches. It actually looks a little bit wider because of the light and the reflection. So yeah, I just wanted to really, show you guys that. Also update on the car. Also update on the R129. The R129 is in the shop right now. It's probably been in there for like the last 2 days. It seems as if the car is not getting full power. So the diagnosis so far is that it is the dreaded, well, I'm gonna tell you guys that in the next video because that is a whole thing for SLs of this year, Mercedes of this year. I'm gonna do a whole thing on that in the next video. So I can't give you guys that yet. This one really was just about the update for the wheel, how things are going for you guys. Not going for you guys, how things are going for the build, so I can update you guys, so I'm not leaving you out there, in the dark. I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to the R129. So I'm definitely trying to, keep you guys updated on what's going on. Wanted to show you guys how they came wrapped also. Okay, so came in this box. They actually were pretty secure. So I got no complaints on how they were wrapped and shipped. So all right, let me get all of this stuff off, and we can see the condition of the second lip, and we'll go from there. Another part of the packing process, they packed them really good. Definitely they got thrown around and all of that during shipping and crossing overseas, and they were definitely protected because getting them out of here is a pain. So yeah, guys, these are 3-piece wheels. If you guys don't know, 2-piece, 3-piece wheels, the difference is 2-piece wheel is a barrel and a face. 3-piece wheel is a barrel, face, and outer lip. So this is the part that got damaged on the old wheels, the outer lip. So this is the part that we're replacing. The damage on the outer lip actually is right here. And it's like a split. So it looks like somebody took a razor blade and kind of like sliced through the lip. And the crazy part about the damage is that it's not, the lip itself didn't bend, which is weird. So I don't know if because, see, those wheels had been redone before, re-chromed with the original parts, I believe. So I don't know, after they were re-chromed, they said that the wheels couldn't be fixed again, okay? Now, I believe that was with the original parts. But after they got re-chromed, I also believe that they lost kind of some structural integrity. So when they hit, okay, on a pothole, it kind of just gave way, probably the pressure, it really might have just gave way. That's what I'm thinking. But guys, put in the comment section what you guys think actually happened. I'm gonna do a video on the wheel. I'm just not ready to reveal the wheel yet, but soon that will happen. And I'll show you guys the actual damage to the lip. Or I might be able to actually show y'all. I'll try to show you now without showing you guys the wheel. So let's go. Okay guys, so right here is where the damage is on the lip. And like I said, the lip didn't bend. It literally, it's like it just sliced. So I think the structural integrity, okay, kind of just gave way. And it didn't take even a hard bend to literally split the lip. So if you're a rim expert, put it in the comment section what you guys think. I'm pretty sure that, you know, when I was driving the car, this is what happened. When I was driving the car, I wasn't driving fast, okay? I had to be doing at least maybe 30 to 40 miles an hour, but I hit a pothole, I think, and this happened, okay? So this is also why I'm scared to put wheels on the Maserati, because this happened. And this is a pretty expensive set of wheels when they came out, so yeah, I don't know, guys, you know. But I'm not gonna show you guys the wheel yet. You can tell by the rivets. I said it was a 3-piece wheel, but I mean, not by the rivets, but now you know it's 3-piece wheel since I said it. But I'm not gonna tell you guys the wheel. Still gonna keep it a secret. I'm gonna keep it a secret, and it's only a secret really if you guys haven't watched a lot of the videos. You haven't watched the shorts, because I definitely did post the wheel already. So if you haven't watched it already, I'm not gonna reveal it. I'm gonna save it. If you wanna go try to find that video, you're more than welcome to, but I just really wanted to show you guys what's going on, give you guys an update, what's going on, and the progression. These took a month. Again, these took a month to arrive, guys. So I ordered these before I even showed you guys the car, okay? So know that I'm working behind the scenes. I'm trying to make things happen, but yeah, I definitely ordered these before I even showed you guys the car on video. So, and the wheels that are on the car, the monoblocks, are not going anywhere. Not selling the wheels. So the monoblock guys, the monoblock heads, don't worry. Okay, I know what monoblocks are. I'm not selling the monoblocks. They're not going anywhere. I also have AMG wheels for the 211. I want to get wheels for that car. I'm not selling those wheels either. So, you know, also on this channel, aside from cars, it will, if I can incorporate rims as well, on the build that I believe are special wheels that you don't see every day, then I'm going to try to incorporate that as well. So if you know, like, you know, different kind of old school rims, 3-piece wheels from the 90s, early 80s, we probably will get into later on in this channel, then this channel is for you. But I just want to show you guys the update. 2 new lips. I'm gonna give you a hint on what the wheel is. If you're in the Mercedes tuning from the early 90s, okay, you've seen these wheels. I don't think anybody on YouTube has these wheels on a build yet, so it will be the first time that I believe these wheels are on YouTube on a build, and for somebody that's in America. So again, guys, we're almost there. Car's in the shop right now, trying to fix what's wrong with it. Again, I'm gonna do another video on that, on the issue with it. It's kind of like an infamous issue. Put it in the comment section and guess if you want to. But it's an infamous issue. But again, guys, see him working. So hit that like, share, subscribe button for me. Join the VSOP club. Hit that notification bell for me. Turn on all post notifications so you're in tune when I drop a video. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.